guys, let us look at a program in which we use operator overloading, specifically minus operator overloading. Operator overloading. Let us get into our dashboard, which is very easy. Select the programming language as CPP and the concept as operator overloading. So we have multiple options here. Let us consider the examples for operator overloading. Let us start with unary minus operator overloading. We all know operator overloading is a type of polymorphism in which an operator is overloaded to give user-defined meaning to it. Overloaded operator is used to perform operation on user-defined data type. So let us see the example of unary minus operator overloading. We have a class here with the name num, and this is the class here. And we have two functions which are defined as public. One function is to get the number from the user. The second one is to display the number. This is the function to display the number. So this is the unary operator overloading code is written here, where we are using unary minus. So this is the main function here. We simply get the number. We given the number as 10. So let us see when we call this unary operator overloading, let us see whether it will work or not. So in the main function, we have a get number function and simply a display number function. That's it. Let us run the code to check out whether this unary minus operator is working fine or not. Yes, successfully we have used the minus operator. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates and please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.